difference between these two. And as we know that human intelligence is given by God. Human is that like a animal which God gives, God gives them uh, ability to thinking something, understand and everything which he do. And as we know that technological and human intelligence makes our day-to-day life easier. And in ancient time, human intelligence developed day by day, and now we lives in help of technology. And now I want to tell you the artificial intelligence. As we know that Google's map and everything and robot, it is made by humans, because humans intelligence doesn't compare with artificial intelligence, because humans have the ability to make and change our country and develop our country. And artificial intelligence is made by experience of humans. And it hasn't any feelings, emotions. And as we know that human do anything if he is doing wrong way, and now any other human give he way to do this in right way. But if an artificial intelligence do this, but any they doesn't have any common sense. And
To understand whether it is going
yes,
right
yes.
or wrong.
And if we and nowadays human is totally depend on artificial intelligence, because it makes our life easier, day to day life, day to day routine in our life. Because if we as we know, as we take an example of Alexa, it is good, but technology make our life easier. But if we doesn't depend on much on this, because if we track in any problem, if we
Get trapped in any sort of
any
problem.
sort of problem. But if we and some days before, if we use technology, but at that time technology doesn't help you in this, because you will have to do this yourself, and helps to human intelligence. And human intelligence is good, because human intelligence is very good, because it has common sense, it has everything which we do. But artificial intelligence, many of scientists tell that if it doesn't command in this in good way, and after when the robot think that humans are our enemy, after we don't exist more time in this. And as we talk about the advantage of this, humans is only lives maximum 80 years and 90 years. But artificial intelligence doesn't died. It will be if we command in this good way, it will be in thousands of years.
Yes.
And
It will be there forever.
forever, yes.
Yes.
And that is my point. So that's all.